going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change out your side marker lights on a GC8 or a 2000 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport. And all you're going to want to use is a simple plastic pry tool. As you can see here, here's the new side marker light that I got off of Amazon for I think $9. They are sequential, and all we're going to do is plug this directly into the original wiring harness. So I'm gonna take our plastic pry tool here, I'm gonna come over and kind of just slide it in under this backside. There is a small clip that you can press either from the front or the rear. Either way, it should pop right out, and you're gonna unscrew this from the actual light. So I already did that a second ago to test this before I made the video, so I've already taken the light bulb out, and this is all it is. Now, these lights came from Amazon, so they do not have the rubber seal on the back. So all we'll need to do is just transfer this rubber seal to the light that we're going to be plugging in. I'm going to do that now. All right, as you can see, I have both lights out, both of the bulbs that will expose the actual plug-in and connectors, and we have the brown, what do you say, or not brown, we have the rubber gasket that seals the light when plugged in. So mine does have a little nick in it from all the times that I've taken it out, but if you already have the OEM gaskets on here, you can easily just remove it from the previous lights. So now all we're going to do is figure out which side goes where, which I think this is going to be the passenger side. And yeah, as you can see, we'll go ahead and plug it right into this connector since it's direct plug and play. And as you can see, they are a direct fit, plug right in, slide in. They're sealed up because, like I said, I transferred that over. I did notice after I took these apart that they did come with their own foam, seal, but since they're foam, I definitely don't trust it, and the fitment wasn't proper. So as long as you remove those and just put the original gasket on there, it will plug in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll show you what they look like with the lights on and lights off. All right, so both lights are in. Let's go ahead and test it out. Wow. Gives it a nice modern look. Didn't realize that would be as bright, but as you can see, both sides are working. And again, these were only like $9, $10 off of Amazon. So pretty cool. I've obviously got the hazards on, so if you were to put the left or right turn signal in, that's the only thing they're gonna do. There's not gonna be any extra movement with the lights, but overall pretty happy. So let me know what you guys think. I will post the link down in the description. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Kind of fills out the black and dark amber colored light paint scheme that I'm going with here. So yeah, catch you all in the next one.